Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to set the default sound output device on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung control panel. And click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung category. And then kailangan mo lang select yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat ng settings. So tap mo lang yan. And then next step ay, kailangan lang natin select dito yung sounds. Okay, so click mo lang tong sound. And pop up itong sounds settings. Kung paano ba natin i-set yung default speaker audio sound output natin. So ang next step ay, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung playback. Okay, so kapag naka-recording siya, select mo lang dito yung playback. And then dito sa select playback device, below to modify and settings. So makikita mo dito yung audio natin. So may dalawa dito audio na speakers or headphones. Kung paano ba natin ito i-set to default. So select ka lang dito, so click mo lang siya. And then dito sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung set default, i-click mo lang yan, right? Or other options. So once nakapag-select ka na dito isa sa mga audio, ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then makikita mo na dito yung set as default device or set as default communication device. So select ka lang dito. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to set your default speaker audio sound output on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.